All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Here we are going to be discussing how you can start digital marketing right from the comfort of your home and learn how to attract customers and identify who your perfect customers are. So let's get into it, guys. I'm going to be showing you the automated system that I use and everything that I learned how to do, guys. I learned in this training program. All right. It's called Legacy Builders Program. You may have heard of it. You may have seen it, but it's a detailed digital program that teaches any newbie, beginner with no sales experience, no tech skills on how to work from home and market e-learning programs, ebooks, shows you how to create your own products and basically how to make a full-time living right from the comfort of your home. So without further ado, guys, let's get into it. If you're not subscribed to the channel, guys, please subscribe to the channel and that way you're notified of every new video that I put out. All right, so let me show you guys the automated system that was pre-built for me. Everything I'm gonna be showing you guys, you get this as part of your package. It's a business in a box. Okay, so let me show you. Right, guys, here is the website that works my business for me 24/7. It will also do the same for you. Okay, so this is one of the pages, guys. I chose this design. When you start your business, guys, you can choose the background, you can choose the colors and all that good stuff. This is what I chose to use. But as you can see, guys, it's a beautifully laid out website, and it says discover how to start an online business with a proven blueprint. Okay, and plus grab your copy of the 10K in 30 days guide. So you will receive a blueprint, guys, that shows you, it's a 5-step blueprint, shows you how to earn 10,000 in the next 30 days. Okay. And this is where you put in your email address, collect the email addresses, guys, and the person can click this button right here. Okay. So let's just use, you see, okay, let's show you what's on the next page here. This is a thank you page. So I'm taking you
Congratulations.
system, the complete automated system. This is a thank you page, and it tells a person or your leads to check their email in 5 minutes. The blueprint will be there. Look below, guys. When you put in your email address, it's going to be an attachment at the bottom of that email. Okay. If you don't see it, check your spam folder, but it should hit your inbox. Okay. And that's what's great about this automated system, that it is designed to deliver the emails inside of your prospects or your leads inbox, guys, and not their spam folder. Okay. So when you put in your email address, guys, see if it hits your inbox. It should hit your inbox. So person can get some more information, right? She's just giving you an introduction on the business, and it has some testimonials on the page. Okay. You see some testimonials right here. Savannah, $1,800 day watching her son's baseball tournament. Here's Deborah Scott, $1,500 in the last 3 days. Daniil, 10,000 for March, completely smashed. And Marsha, 1350 day, $1,350 in a single day, guys. Imagine you start your own business and you able to earn income like this. Okay, so that's what's possible when you plug into an interactive training program, not just a course, because courses become outdated, guys. Okay, so the person wants to get more information, they're interested in starting their business, they can click this tab right here, and it shows them, takes them to the video page where Michelle breaks down the automated business. So you never have to sell or explain to anyone. You'll never hear the word no in this business, guys. Okay, it's a daily pay online business that works for you 24/7. Okay, 24/7, guys. All right, it's an autopilot business. Shows you how to market any product online. Okay, you can apply this training to any online business. A person is ready to get started, they will simply click this button here, and it will take them to the product page, guys. Okay, and we even have this. You see this green little image right here. You see this animated face right here. This is AI chat, guys. So this is Hunter, my AI assistant. He closes my sales for me. You can also have this option as well, guys. AI, you can use AI chat to close your sales for you guys. It's going to increase your conversions and your sales all on autopilot while you're sleeping, while you're doing other things, guys. Okay. So this is the product page. You have 4 programs to choose from. Pick the one that best fits your income goals. If you scroll down the page, you can see the payment plan options as well. And you can see what's inside the lessons, guys. So you have TikTok training, Instagram, shows you how to post free ads on the internet. Okay, introvert's dream. Okay, you never had to spend money on advertising. Shows you how to grow a following on social media. And if you scroll down, guys, if you're on your phone, you want to scroll down here, you get some bonuses too. Here are the bonuses right here. So check that out when you visit the page. So you get 4 income streams. Legacy Builders gives you 4 income streams. And if you start with Legacy Builder, you own all 4 of the digital programs. So you can earn 4 different ways. Okay. And if you scroll down further, guys, these are the payment plans. These are the other 3 programs. If you scroll down here, these are the payment plan options, guys. Okay. So each of these has a payment plan. All right. Choose the one that best fits your goal, guys. You have more testimonials on the page. And these are people that's inside of our community. And it says, yes, I'm ready to jump in and get access to 4 income streams. You click that button right there, guys. And if, like I said, if you want to take advantage of the payment plan options, then you can simply scroll down here for the Legacy Builders payment plan option, guys, right here. It's going to be at the bottom. Click this blue button right here, this blue tab right here. Okay, so choose Afterpay on the checkout page. That'll give you the payment plan options, guys. Okay, so that is in a nutshell, guys. This is a complete business in a box. The website, the pre-built website is $29, guys, one time. And that's pre-built for you. So you have your training program you're going to select. And after you select your training program, it's going to direct you to pay for your website. Both are one-time investments. Okay. So guys, if you have any questions on the program, just reach out to me. I'm going to include my contact information in the description. And if you want to get started, guys, if you want more information, just click the link below in the description, guys. Okay. Or go to visit the website that you see on the screen. Okay. I'm going to include that on the screen, guys. But click the link in the description. It'll take you right to that page that I showed you. Okay. The first page. All right. But that is pretty much it in a nutshell, guys. That's a sneak peek on the automated system and what's included in a Legacy Builders program. All right, guys, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.